Hey Jammers, welcome to Pastel. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means so much already that you're watching this. I wanted to make this video to kind of go over what my channel is going to be about and what kind of things I'm going to cover and what content I'm going to make and how you can support me or not support me, I guess. I don't know if you're new to my channel, which you probably are because I only have one video. Then please subscribe if you like the first two videos. So basically I just wanted to tell you guys what my channel is going to be all about and what kind of things I'm going to be doing on here. What I'm going to post, how you can suggest dens, stuff like that. So first off, the first note that I have for you guys today is I do den decor on this channel and I will also do giveaways. And I might do speed paints if I can figure that out. I will do speed paints because I am an artist, and yeah, I will also be doing tutorials and den decor tips, basically everything revolving around den decor. So I made this, so I wanted to just go over this den that I had made for you guys. This is my birthday party den that I had made for everybody in quarantine because I kind of felt bad that a lot of people in quarantine couldn't have a proper birthday party, so I wanted to make this den for everybody who didn't really get a chance to have a birthday party that was normal because of social distancing and COVID-19. So anyways, if your birthday is in this quarantine time, this awful, wretched time, then please come to my den and celebrate. I hope you guys enjoyed this den while it lasts. Next Friday, this Friday, in like 3 days, I will be uploading another video, and that will be my new decor. So this is your last opportunity to get to see this birthday den, and I really hope you guys enjoy it because I spent a lot of time planning it out and making it for you guys. It took 15 minutes to decorate on camera, and it took about an hour to plan out. It was very intense. I had to end up going with a kind of theme that was not very organized or symmetrical or even matching. But you know what? Birthday parties are supposed to be fun, so I thought it's okay. Anyways, I didn't really get a chance to decorate the yard because I didn't really have time. But yeah, so first off, that's what I'm going to be doing on this channel, den decor. The next thing that I wanted to go over is how you can suggest dens that you want me to decorate. So for instance, if you want me to decorate Cosmo's den, and I have not done that one already, then I would be glad to make a video on that if you just suggest it in the comments. I will be reading the first 5 comments on every video, and if there is a suggestion in there that I have not already done, I can promise you that it will be in the next 3 weeks that I make a video. I might post more when my channel becomes more successful, and I just wanted to say that I do spike giveaways. So if you want to enter those, all you have to do is subscribe, like, and there will be a secret item in every den, and if you can guess what that secret item is, then you will possibly be able to win the giveaway. It's whoever does it first. So keep in mind that that is what's happening, and don't worry if you don't win one giveaway. Stay tuned because there will be a giveaway every week. And when I get more subscribers, there will also be giveaways. So when I hit 10 subscribers, I'm going to be doing an orange short spiked wristband giveaway. And I know that's not really big, but it's really small actually. But it's only 10 subscribers. So I thought I would just start with something small and work my way up. And when I hit 3,000 subscribers, or possibly 2,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a black long. Also, ways to support my channel. If you really love my content and you really want to support the channel, then you can always gift me fan mail or things that I can use to give away in my giveaways, because I'm not made of money. And sometimes you might donate to me, and then I will be able to give you a shout out or something, and then I will also be able to use that item in my giveaways, and that would be amazing because spread the love, guys. Random acts of kindness. So yeah, I just wanted to go over some things with you guys, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and enjoy Pastel Den Decor AJ. Subscribe, like, and please, please, please watch all my videos. Make sure you like every video that you watch if you like it, and if you don't like it, I'm sorry. I really am. If you don't like it and you do want me to make some different content or change some things, you can always suggest them and I will take them into consideration because I want to make everybody happy on my channel. Anyway, I hope you guys all have a fantastical night, and goodbye. Goodbye, guys. Subscribe.